Good day folks, Jim Langlands here from FX Charts with the currency outlook for the Finance News Network for Monday the 24th of September. Well, it was a pretty choppy session on Friday that saw the currencies initially rally against the US dollar on a story coming out of the FT that Spain will go to the EU and ask for a bailout fairly imminently. But the rally lost legs as New York got going and the currencies came back to rest in the weekend pretty much largely unchanged from where they started the day. So we've got the euro this morning at 129.80, dollar yen's at 78.20, cables at 162.45, and dollar Swiss is at 93.25. The Aussie's at 104.55. That got up to 105.18, but it lost a little bit of ground in the New York afternoon. And the Kiwi this morning is at 83.05. It looks to be a pretty choppy weekend ahead, with the focus remaining on Spain and whether it will or won't ask for a bailout. But if it does, that's going to bring around another rally in the currencies. But there's a pretty strong resistance ahead for the euro, major resistance at 132, and right now it doesn't look like we're going to get through there. And until that happens, though, I think the market's pretty much on hold and is going to remain fairly choppy. There's been some negative news coming out of Greece over the weekend, though, and the next tranche of the bailout package looks likely to be delayed, and that will cap the upside for the euro in the short term, I think. There's plenty of secondary data out this week, beginning with the BOJ minutes today, and then later on we've got the German IFO, and domestically we've got new home sales data to look forward to. But I think it's going to be a pretty quiet start to the week, possibly a little bit choppy once Europe get going, but I wouldn't expect too much directionally. So that's really about it. If you do want a more comprehensive outlook on the market, go to the website as usual, www.fxcharts.com.au. And that aside, please just remember that any outlook mentioned here is a personal view only and not intended to be used as trading advice. So that's really about it. Have a very good day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Cheers.